Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, we're exploring one of nature's most powerful cold remedies, lemongrass and honey. This traditional combination has been used for centuries to treat colds, soothe sore throats, and boost immunity. Curious how it works and why so many people swear by it? Let's dive right in. Lemongrass is a fragrant herb known for its strong anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties. It helps reduce internal inflammation, relieve congestion, and support digestion. In traditional medicine, it's also used to combat fatigue and tension. It's more than just a flavor. It's a natural healer. Honey is packed with antioxidants and natural enzymes that help soothe sore throats, reduce coughing, and fight bacteria. It coats the throat, making it perfect for colds and flu. Just one spoonful can offer incredible relief, and when paired with lemongrass, the benefits multiply. Making this natural tea is simple. Step 1. Cut 2 stalks of lemongrass and slightly crush them. Step 2. Boil them in 2 cups of water for 10 minutes. Step 3. Pour into a cup and add 1 tablespoon of honey. Optional, add a slice of lemon for extra vitamin C. Enjoy it warm. For best results, drink this tea once in the morning and once at night, especially during cold seasons. Drinking it regularly can help prevent colds and ease symptoms if you're already sick. Plus, it's caffeine-free and calming, perfect before bed. Lemongrass contains citral, a compound that fights viruses and reduces inflammation. Honey contains antioxidants and antibacterial properties. Together, they create a powerful natural medicine that helps fight infections and ease symptoms. If you have a cold, sore throat, or sinus congestion, this tea can help. It soothes the throat, clears the sinuses, and warms the body. It's especially helpful on cold, rainy days or when your immune system needs a boost. While this